It's finally here. This is it, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Not gonna lie, the Mustang about bunny hopped out of the hole for the burnout. It's finally here. Oh! First round of the
Out here doing it for Dale.
What we got, bud?
One guy just down there.
We gotta go through the tape, it's close.
Bro, that's by a truck and right there clean.
Clean as by a truck.
All right, that's been $1,000.